it's another lonely morning, and I'm sitting on my own outside the pavement cafe, drinking coffee all alone. And I think, what can I do to win your love for me? I was so blind that I could not see. So I take a lump of sugar and I stir it in my cup, and I think of that conversation on the day that we broke up. And I know you're just trying to stop another heartache. So baby, tell me, what will it take? Oh, I blame my shoes for bringing me here today. From this seat I watched you walk away. Please give me some guidance, baby, oh, for pity's sake. And tell me, baby, tell me, what will it take? Please, girl, tell me, what will it take to bring your sweet love home, baby? So I drink from the white cup, I hear footsteps on the curb, and I look to see you standing, looking at me, not saying a word. And I ask, what will it take to win your love for me? You say it'll happen